Howdy y'all, this is the Halo Explosions, alright? And this map here, which map is it again?
Valhalla.
Valhalla. Alright, we're working on another big explosion. We're using other vehicles instead of the tank. And right now we got ghosts. Alright, turn around. Where is everything? Over the hill? Okay, we got ghosts, we got banshees, warhogs, mongooses,
And fusion coal.
What?
Fusion coal.
Fusion coal, and choppers. Which one just disappeared? Okay.
Oh well.
But anyway, we're gonna try and do it from a sky view.
Hornet.
From a Hornet. And see how it looks from the sky. Take down and fire away.
Oh, Banshee. Oh, yes. Oh yeah.
Alright. That was a little bit larger explosion. Now we're going to do it from another viewpoint. Up here on the cliff. Which you'll see next.